met our service at 9:17 a.m. and as you can see, I am still sleepy, so we grab a coffee from Cafe Amazon. I think we spent around 250 baht for coffee and pastry for two. The trip will be around 2 hours and 30 minutes. We saw all the signs and thought we are close, but we still have an hour to drive. So yeah, we're just enjoying the view. Entrance fee here is 200 baht per person, and that's for Doi Inthanon National Park and Maya Waterfall, plus 30 baht for parking fee. A prominent sign clearly marks the summit, providing popular photo opportunity for visitors who have reached the roof of Thailand.
Oh, it's 11 degrees Celsius.
It's cool today. It's 11 degrees in Celsius. We're surprised. There's some instructions in here. Hello. Here you will find a small museum that highlights the unique high-altitude flora and fauna found on Doi Inthanon. Here they have the toilet and shops for souvenirs as well, and they also have coffee shop. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.